Now we're going to make our cranberry sauce. I want you to find a heavy bottomed large pot. It doesn't have to be a stock pot, but something like this. You see how deep that is? And it's got a very, very heavy bottom. Heavy bottom pots are important because they don't burn your food. If you have a thin pot and you leave it on the stove and you don't stir it, it can burn the bottom of your food. So try and find pots that are kind of heavy. Now you're going to add the cranberries to the pot. You've sorted through and gotten all the ones that are not so good out. And it's okay to use frozen cranberries. Just let them de-thaw a little bit before you put them in. So now we have our cranberries in the pot. I'm going to add the orange juice that we juiced earlier. We need some liquid, but not a lot. And the zest. Make sure you get all that zest in there. If you have clean hands, just use your fingers. But make sure you get all that zest, because this is where a lot of the flavor is in this zest. Smell your fingers, they smell great. Now stir this up a little, and we're going to move this over to the stove.